Have you ever wanted to invest in real estate but felt like the entry cost, complex paperwork, and lack of transparency held you back? Today, it is possible to make property investment accessible to everyone, starting with just $100 with Web3 property sharing platforms. As the Web3 market is projected to reach $22.57 billion by 2029, it clearly shows that it has the potential to transform real estate. Investing in next-gen real estate platforms is the best kind of business move, and if you're eager to step into this space, you're at the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through a tokenized real estate app we built for our esteemed client and give you a live demo of how everything works. When users first open the app, they're greeted by a clean, modern interface. The app onboards users by outlining how it makes real estate investing more accessible and secures ownership records with blockchain technology. Getting started is quick and easy. Users can sign up with their email or phone, or simply use their Google or Apple account for instant access. New users can fill out their details, and the app verifies their account with an OTP. This is followed by enabling users to review the app's privacy policy and obtain permission to access their location. The app requires users to verify their identity to unlock the platform's full features. This involves completing the ID verification. There's a 3-step checklist that guides the user from creating your account all the way to verifying your identity. On the home screen, there's a curated list of properties available for fractional investment. The user can easily scroll through and see key details like the price per share and projected returns. Users can make the most of the app's powerful search and filter options. They can search by location, property type, or even filter by investment range and expected ROI. This ensures they find the perfect property that aligns with their investment strategy. For a more visual experience, users can switch to map view to view all available properties based on their preferred location. This is perfect for exploring new markets and neighborhoods. Upon finding a property they like, users can tap on it to see the full details. They'll find a comprehensive description, a full photo gallery, and most importantly, all the key investment details. Once ready to invest, the user can tap on Invest Now. The user then needs to select their preferred payment method from the multiple options provided. After the payment is done, there is a confirmation message and users can view their investment details. Users can track all your holdings and transactions in the portfolio section. It displays the current value of your investments, the total ROI, and a full history of all the transactions. The bookmark section has all the properties saved by users while scrolling down the listings. Finally, let's look at the profile section. Here, users can manage their account, update personal details, and configure their preferences. They can also review their notifications to stay up to date with new listings and investment alerts. The app's Refer a Friend feature makes it easy to invite others to join the community. Overall, this app brings real estate investing into the Web3 era, making it secure, transparent, and accessible to everyone. If you want to build a similar app, reach out to us, and we at Idea Usher will be happy to help. From enterprise software to next-gen blockchain applications, our team having 10+ years of experience delivers scalable and robust solutions to help businesses succeed. We have 1,000+ happy clients, including leading global brands like Gold's Gym, Mogo, EQL, and BuzzTime. Connect with us to discuss your app requirements.